Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a notebook in Canva. First, open Canva and choose a blank design or a pre-made template. Decide on the dimensions for your notebook, perhaps a standard 6 by 9 inches. Then, begin to conceptualize your cover and interior pages. Think about the purpose of your notebook and who will use it. This initial planning saves time and ensures a cohesive design. You'll be surprised how quickly your vision comes to life. Crafting an engaging cover is crucial for your notebook. Start by selecting a background that reflects your style or the notebook's theme. Next, add a compelling title using a legible font. Consider a size of at least 24 points. Incorporate graphics or photos that enhance the design without overcrowding it. Always use high-resolution images to ensure a crisp, professional look when printed. A well-designed cover truly makes your notebook stand out. Now let's focus on the interior pages. Decide on your preferred layout, whether that's lined, dotted, grid, or completely blank. Maintain consistency by adding subtle headers or footers, perhaps with a page number or a small logo. Once you've perfected one page, simply duplicate it as many times as needed to fill your notebook. You can also add small, unobtrusive decorative elements to make each page feel special. This process is straightforward and highly customizable. Once your design is perfect, save it as a PDF print file for the best quality. Always review every page carefully before downloading to catch any last-minute adjustments. Remember, you can print your notebook at home or send it to a professional printing service for a polished finish. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, anytime. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.